Yo, what's going on, fellas? Welcome back to another video, and this is us right here. Join us as we hop on the Little River Fishing Fleet charter 45 miles out to the Atlantic Ocean for a Gulf Stream fishing trip. Finally made it out to our destination. 3 hours later, we wasted no time, put on the squid wings, and sent the bait down. Now these trips are referred to as the meat trips, mainly targeting vermilion snapper, black sea bass, grunts, triggerfish, amber and almaco jacks, king mackerel, sharks, grouper, porgies, and basically anything that will grab the line. Yeah, I guess.
There we go. You get a picture if you want. This is actually a silver snapper. They're technically closed, but if you want to hold it for a picture, he's just got to take stuff.
We went out with Captain Josh and Dawson. Very professional, knowledgeable, and just nice people, man. They were very helpful. These fish here were actually red porgies, otherwise known as silver snappers. Their color ranges from shiny lavender to pink to light red. And this little guy here was a sand perch. I actually took him home and ate. Very good white meat. And these redfish here were probably the all-stars of the trip. The vermilion snapper, probably the best fish I've ever eaten before. Just amazing. That strawberry grouper. And this next fish you'll see here, beautiful fish, the strawberry grouper. Out of season though, so he went back. And this was the first greater amberjack caught on the trip. She got both. Dude, if you have another rig, dude, that's it for you. You have it? And this shark you see here thrashing around is known as the Atlantic sharknose. These things were wreaking havoc, which is why we had to put down the Spanish sardines, which we were using as bait, and we stuck to the squid instead. Yeah, it's my hook, yeah. It's my hook. It's my hook. Yo, this ain't short, it's good fish. Yeah, it's good fish. Keep going. Oh, wow. God damn it. shack, which would be the first of the day. And this beautiful fish you see here is known as a knobbed head porgy. We took this guy home. He was actually great eating as well. And here we have a textbook gaff shot by Dawson. And Colin in the back of the boat jigging up AJ's like it was nothing. Here he is with a really nice one. Damn. He was just making it look easy, man. Congrats to him. He was killing it. Fish kid. Atlantic shark nose. We didn't wind up taking any home, but apparently they are great eating. Yeah, hold it up. Let's see it.
We're cool.
All right, here's Braden with his nice amberjack.
Show him the flow. Yeah, he was waving at me. That's Braden is flying.
And this was without a doubt a meat trip, man. But we actually went home with the most fish I've ever taken home from a charter. Awesome. We went home with fish. We fed a friggin' army. Huge shout out to Captain Lee. He hooked up this entire trip. When you head over to Little River Fishing Fleet, request for Captain Josh, Captain Lee. They will put you on the fish. Alright, and I appreciate you guys watching, man. If you guys ever find yourself in the North Carolina, South Carolina area, hit these guys up. Little River Fishing Fleet, great people, a lot of fish, and a lot of fun, man.